Hello, everybody. This video is about handling missing values in R. As you know, missing values are what you call the none or not a number. We generally find in numeric vectors and not available or NA found in both numeric and character vectors. So let's go to R and start working. So as usual, we need to load the data set. The data set is found in, let me call it flood. You can read .csv code. The dataset is found in this folder here, which directory I'm going to copy, bring it here and paste it. Okay, and the dataset is called flood. Sorry. So flood.csv header equal to true. Let me double the backslashes. Okay, that's all. So flood. So to make the code reproducible, set it to say 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now let's have the summary of our data set. Summary flood. You see it here. It the summary functions of already tells us that there are some not availables here. A23 for area. Some do have, some don't. RH relative humidity has 23, ET has 23. The ground heat flux doesn't. So let's see with the dimension. So dim flood 4017 observation and 8 variables. So basically, you would have for each of them -23, except for ground heat flux. So 23 rows would be removed. So let's find the missing values. Finding the missing values. The first method is to find missing values per location or per cell based on location or cells. So meaning the cells which has missing values, because here we have the matrix, right? We have 4017 observations, that's rows, and the 8 variable, that's column. So you have cells wherever columns and the rows meet, so you have cells. this method use the function which is NA, which then within the parentheses is dot NA. Then we type the name of our or the object, the flag. So it tells us here these are the cells which has NAs. So we have up to 133 here plus 5, so 138 rows. 138 missing values here. So these are the cells which missing values, basically what it means. So the second method is going to tell us if it's true or not. This is a boolean. So it's true if missing value is in a vector. The missing value true if the missing value exists in a vector or is present. Else false. So let's take the code. This function is dot na parentheses flag. Yeah. It's dot na flag. Okay. So I put comma instead of periods here. So it tells us false. It means that in those cells there are no missing values, so it's false. If there were, we would have true. So stop here. It makes 3,892 rows on it. Okay. So let's count. Counting the missing values. Counting the missing values in the whole data set. So this function sum then is dot na, then the name of the data set. So we tell that you have 138 missing values. So the second is counting the total number column wise. The total number here you have call sum, plural, capital S for sums, then is dot na flag. So this is what you get, time 0 missing values, area 23, 23 up to soil moisture, and the ground heat flux has 0 missing values. Okay. Now we will try to find the location and count of missing values. Find the location and count of missing values in a specific column. In our case here, let's take area, which is our, this is the flooded area. So let's take this one. So we will use the which function, which is dot na. Now flood, then the dollar sign, and we take area. We choose area here from the dataset flood. We want to have an information about it. So this is what we have. 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. As it said before, we have 23. And these are the cells where the 23 missing values are. These are the locations or the cells of area which you find the missing values of area column, of course. Okay. And if you want to sum them, we use the sum function. In area column, sum, then is dot na, then we have flood, then we have dollar sign, and the area. Twenty-three. So we can go to all of them, or just type this for the whole data set and we have, or we can choose a specific column and then decide to know how many missing values the column has, or the variable has. Variable means column here in this case. Okay. Now let's plot the missing values. plotting the missing values. To plot, we need to install a package called this that dependencies equal to true. You need to do that. I already have it, so I'm going to just call the library this that run it. Then we need to discard this underscore miss, then parentheses flood. So we have 0.4% missing values and the presence 98.6%. And we have here time, area, and we see the percentage for each of the variables within the data set. And we have the observation from 0 to 4,000. This is the plot. Okay, so let's continue. Now we are going to deal with removing, because sometimes when they exist, they don't allow us to continue with some tasks. So we need to remove them, or either to remove them or ignore them. So let's deal with removing missing values. So there are two ways. The first method is to extract the cells having values and ignore cells without values, meaning we ignore the missing values, we extract. So maybe the word ignore is not really applied to this situation, but we want only cells with values. So we extract them. So extract values except for NAs and nums. So any cell that has nums or NAs, we don't want it. So for this, we type flood. Let's say flood equal to flood bracket exclamation point is NA is dot NA. Then we have flood again. So this is a new object, of course, and you want to take it from here. Okay, let's leave it that way. Just run it. Okay, and this gives us the updates. So everything here has values. Everything in these dates we see here has values. And everything that doesn't have values or everything that has missing values is removed from this. So here is complete. So let's call f, underscore extract equal to, okay. Now we have its dimension, dim f underscore extract. So this character. So we should not have this. Okay. So let's just type f extract. The dimension is only for numerics. So f extract, we have this. So now we can save as f extract and continue working with it. So f extract is an object, a sub-object from Flask, having the cells with data only, with values, data only. So the second is so f this one. Let's say it, extract cells having values. Then the second one is the function we call complete cases. Complete dot cases. So this one is boolean true if the cell is complete, else false. So let's have f complete this time equal complete dot cases, complete dot cases flat. Then let's go to f complete now. Just f complete. Uh, Everything here is true. True means that these cells have data. Sorry. I clean this panel, okay, because of the panel here is clean. So, okay, I run again and this is what it gets. So, wherever we see true, it means that there is data, means that there is no missing data physically. Okay, so we don't see any false here. So, only cells having data. Okay, removing the first method is to extract cells having values. So, with these two functions, we have extract. The flood is as my flood, and we have the complete case, complete dot cases. Sorry. So Second is filtering using some functions such as na.omit. So let's see, na.omit. So moves every row with missing value. How would I? Okay, let's remove every row. Let me rephrase it. Counting even one missing value. So it seems they're all like this. So there is only one missing value here. It's going to remove the whole row. That's what it means here. The na.omit. So let's say f omit equal na.omit flood. On type f omit. That's what you get. And let's see the demo of it. Here's numeric demo to work. So from 4017 we are at 3994. So it removes all the rows having even one missing value. So the number of rows is reduced now. Okay. There is another function called na.exclude, which does the same thing, but it keeps the record of the positions of these rows. Let's say if exclude equal na.exclude, then parentheses flood, and type exclude. And if we try to see the dimension of f exclude, same thing as the one of f omit. Okay. There is another function again. Maybe the last one. Let's see using na.pass. that ignores and passes through missing values. So, okay, we use it ignore and pass through the missing values. So let's say f. Let's call it f pass. Let's call na dot pass, right? And the type of pass. Okay. So let's see the dimension. Dim of f underscore pass. So 4017. So you see, it doesn't remove them, but it ignores them. So this is the end of this video. Handling missing values in R. It happens a lot when we are dealing with data to face some issues, some functions, or some codes not running very well or throwing errors because there are missing values. So I hope this is what I face, in my research. So I hope this video will help some people who are doing research and would probably face the same issues. So thank you very much for watching.